Are incorrect sales tax calculations in QuickBooks Desktop turning your books into a stressful mess? Don't worry, in this video, we'll walk through troubleshooting common sales tax errors so you can kiss those calculation headaches goodbye. First, let's verify your sales tax settings. Go to Edit, then Preferences. Scroll down and click on Sales Tax, then go to the Company Preferences tab. Make sure Yes is selected for Do you charge sales tax? And that your sales tax vendor is correctly chosen. This vendor is where QuickBooks will track the sales tax you owe. Next, let's look at individual customer settings. Go to the Customer Center and select a customer. Click Edit, then go to the Sales Tax Settings tab. Ensure Taxable is checked if they are subject to sales tax, and that the correct sales tax item is assigned. Incorrect item assignments can skew your calculations. Finally, double-check your sales tax items themselves. Go to Lists, then Item List. Find your sales tax items and double-click on them to edit. Make sure the tax rate is accurate and linked to the correct sales tax agency. By verifying these three key areas: company preferences, customer settings, and sales tax items, you can dramatically improve your sales tax accuracy in QuickBooks Desktop. Remember to run a sales tax liability report afterwards to confirm your changes.